Good morning, everyone. Today I am doing scraps to embellishments with Ginger's Corner. I will have a link below where you can see the others playing along, or one link that shows them all. Today's theme is May the Force be with you. Anything to do with Star Wars or space is allowed. I found this die set on Amazon. I have left attached and cut it in different colors of scraps that I thought would be fun together. I have traced around some of them and backed them with black paper. Sometimes I make an embellishment cluster. But this time I will be keeping them individual, so they may be used in a triangle.
You can just say I'm gluing the black on.
She's gluing the black on now. Beam me up, Scotty. Put phasers on stun. Oh, that's Star Trek, not Star Wars.
Do you know Star Wars stuff? Do you know how to talk Chewbacca?
I cannot talk Chewbacca. Watch her cut and glue.
And trim some too.
And trim some too.
Oh, there's some more trimming I need to do. This will be the last one to back.
This is the last one to back. After I die cut them and added black to the back of some of the spaceships, I then made them more dimensional by adding ink to the edges.
Where's my color I used?
She used ground espresso.
I thought it'd be easier to get them up if they had a little coffee for a pick-me-up.
Each person in the swap will get a set of these. And Terry says for everyone to live long and prosper. Oh, that's Star Trek too.
Tell what generation you're from. Tell 'em about my little black one. It's just a bunch.
I did add a circle in black that I thought looked cool, and I am adding it also.
So I inked each item.
She inked each item. See how meticulous she is.
Whoops, I forgot to glue that one together. I like this as a planet too. Oops. My
Oops.
screen. That's it.
I thought about just trying to talk, but it really wears me out to try to talk, and I sound horrible. Again, thanks for joining me and hubby. Make sure you check everyone else out to see what they are making. Have a wonderful and blessed day.